Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is abstract class, what is abstraction in Java. Okay, so before moving in the this topic, if you are coming first time on my YouTube channel or you have not subscribed, so please subscribe and click on bell icon so that you can get the latest video when I publish. Okay, so now let's start. What is abstract class? So a class in Java which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class. Okay, it can be abstract method as well as the non-abstract method. Both type of methods we can put in abstract class. Okay, now what is abstraction in Java? Basically, abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation detail and showing the the functionality to the user. Okay, hiding the implementation detail and showing the functionality to the user. Like a switchboard, we don't know how internally that is working, but we have switch means functionality where we can on and off. Internally, user don't know how that is working. So this concept is known abstraction. Okay, abstraction means data is internal implementation is hide and only the functionality we are able to see. Similar type in Java, there are abstraction means hiding the function implementation and showing the functionality to the user is known as the abstraction. In Java, we can achieve the abstraction by using two ways. One is abstract class, second is the interface. Using abstract class, we can achieve the abstraction 0 to 100%, where in interface we can achieve the abstraction 100%. It means in abstract class we can put both type of method, abstract method and non-abstract method. Okay, but interface all the method which will define that is in abstract method. Okay, now what is the abstract method? Abstract method is a method which has only the signature, it has not the body. Okay, that method is known as the abstract method, and this will define with the keyword abstract keyword in Java. Let me create one class. Example. Okay, we need to create a class with abstract keyword. Okay, so this class is known as abstract class. And in abstract class, we can put both type of method, abstract method, as well as the non-abstract method. Now it's not mandatory to put abstract method in any abstract class. This is optional, means if we are creating any abstract class, then this is not mandatory to create class as put the abstract method. Okay, like here you can see I have just created class as abstract and I have not mentioned any method which are related to abstract. Okay, so what is the abstract method? So abstract method is a method which has a body and it has not a the method which don't have body only signature is known as the abstract method, and this is defined with the abstract keyword like this. Okay, so here I don't have any body, only the signature, and body is not defined. This method is known as abstract method. So now I use this abstract method. Okay, so if we are creating any abstract class, then it means we cannot create the object of abstract class. Like if I try to create the object of abstract class like this, I am creating object here, trying to create object. So you can see cannot instantiate the type abstract example. Means if we have defined any class as an abstract method, we cannot create, if we have created any class as an abstract class, okay, with keyword, then we cannot create the object of that class. Okay, so how we use the method which we have defined in this class. Like here I have method sum which will accept two variable and then as an argument and print both a plus b. Okay, so how I use this method, how I use the method which are defined in abstract class means this is abstract method and these method are known as the concrete method. In abstract class, we can put both method, abstract method as well as the concrete method. So if we are not able to create the object, then how we use the method? So this is question. Okay. So now we can use when we are creating any class, right? So we can use that class by using inheritance in a subclass. Okay, so if I extend this class, okay, so now you can see I am getting here error. Okay, what is the error? There is one method defined as abstract method in a class abstract example, and if any class is going to inherit that class, then that class has a responsibility to implement the abstract method. Okay, so here just click on this. So now we need to define the implement the method. Okay. So now I can create the object of subclass and then I can call the method which are defined in abstract class. So by using inheritance, we can use the abstract class method. Okay, so and this method is overridden print method in a child class. Now if I run this, I will get the output. Okay, so what is abstract class? Abstract class, any class if we define with abstract keyword, that is known as the abstract class. It's not mandatory to put abstract method to create abstract method in a abstract class. Okay, we can put both type of methods as abstract method as well as the concrete method in abstract class. Okay, how we use the abstract class? By using the inheritance, we can use the abstract class method. We cannot create the object of abstract class. Okay, so now suppose that if we are going to inherit the class, abstract class, and we are not going to implement the method, abstract method. So in that case, we need to make the class as abstract class. Okay. So now this is abstract class. Here in this class, I am not going to implement the abstract method. So further, any class which will extend this class, it's their responsibility to implement the abstract method. Okay, and this is abstract class again, we cannot create the object of abstract class. Okay, so now let me remove this. Okay, so now next, suppose that we are not creating any class, this class as abstract class. Okay, so this will work or not. Okay, so now here you can see I have created abstract method in this class. I'm getting the error. Okay, why getting the error? Because it's mandatory. If we create any method in any class as abstract method, then we need to create that class as abstract class. Okay, but in other side, if we have created any class as abstract class, then it's not required to create the class. uh, Put this is not mandatory to create abstract method. We can create or we can ignore. Okay, But if any class has one abstract method, at least one abstract method, then that class must be abstract class. Okay, like here, this class has abstract method, one abstract method. So we need to create this class as abstract. Without that, this will not work. Okay, so now let me recall what we discussed here in abstract class. So abstract class, we can achieve the abstraction in Java, like 0 to 100% abstraction we can achieve. If we are creating any class as abstract class, okay, so it's we can put both type of method, abstract method and non-abstract method. It's not mandatory to create abstract method if we have declared any class as abstract class. But if any class has at least one abstract method, then we need to create that class as a abstract class. Second, we cannot create the object of abstract class. Then how we use the method of that class, how we use that class. So using the inheritance, we can use that class. Okay, we can create a subclass, extend the parent abstract class, implement the abstract method, then using the child class object, we can access the method which are defined in abstract class. Okay, so like non-abstract method we can access, and the abstract method we can override in child class, and then we can use that. Okay, so this is the concept of the abstract class. Hope this will uh, like help you to get understanding what is the abstract class in Java. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.